This is such a great look, I don't even want to take it off. Boom. These contact lenses aren't bad. I should wear these to town. I really want to drink on my coffee right now. I can't. All right, first things first, coffee. Oh yeah, coffee. It actually should be hot chocolate right now because it is snowing outside. For today's look, I'm going to be using the ABH Norvina palette. This is I think this is volume 1. This one here, because it's got the proper reds and a black in it. We are going to get to this look, Halloween look today. Yeah, I'm really excited. So my face is already moisturized. I did all my moisturizing because with the amount of foundation I'm going to have to put on my face, I definitely need moisturizer. I'm going to use the Uoma foundation. This is a T1N. Now this one always has been a little bit light for me. I pray that nobody comes to see me today. Woo. So now I'm going to use a Norvina palette. I'm going to use the color E5. I'm going to go in with D5. Want a great way to hide your laugh lines? Black shadow. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that red. Maybe I'll do a lighter red and just kind of buff out the edges. Hopefully I don't wreck this look. I don't know if you can hear my dogs barking. I don't know what they're barking at out there. They've been at it like all morning. Oh, the magpies are bugging them. Those magpies are very gutsy because there's 2 big Presa Canarios, 1 black lab, and a vicious little min pin outside right now. I suppose my coffee's gone cold already. I did my nose with the Telescopic Carbon Black Loreal Paris mascara. So this one there. I am like so hungry. I'm also using a picture of a skull to kind of help me out here a little bit. Now my freaking thing is itchy. Oh, now my eyes are itchy. Oh, okay. Next step is the black inside the lips. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It took me a few hours to do this look, but it was a lot of fun. I love Halloween. I just love Halloween. I don't even want to take it off. I want to go to the store like this. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great Halloween. Have a safe Halloween. Take care of each other and have a lot of fun. I'm glad you joined me in putting this whole look together. It was lots of fun. I am so looking forward to seeing you guys in November. November starts a brand new month, brand new content for me, and I'm loving every minute on YouTube with you guys. So everybody, have a great night, and I will see you next week.